So today we will see how to create recurring invoices in Oracle Fusion Accounts Payable. For the first step, we have to go to Setup and Maintenance and we need to create the Accounts Payable calendar. So go to Setup and Maintenance and click on Payables and you list all the tasks here. You can able to see this Manage Payable Calendars option. Click on it and click on Create. Create the recurring invoices calendar here. Give the name. So I will give test recurring underscore calendar. So give the same description here. And in calendar type, select gender purpose and the period frequency should be monthly and periods per year is 12 I have given. So here start date based on my requirement, I am starting this date from 1st Jan. So based on your requirement, you can select the start date. So once we enter all this information, click on generate periods. So once you click on this, system will generate the period from Jan to till end, December 23. So once we filled with this relevant information, click on save and close. And the next one, what we have to do is we have to download the recurring invoices template. So for that, we have to go to payables, select payables here and click on invoices. And in invoices task list, you can see the navigation or option for create recurring invoices. Click on it. So that system will download one XLS file and click on it. Click on this XLS file and log in into Oracle. So the login credentials, you can use the same login credentials which we are using to log in into the Oracle Fusion system. So I am using the same username and password here, which I used to log in into Fusion system. So once you log in into this XLS system will give you the necessary inputs which we have to enter. The first thing we need to enter the business unit here. So select the business unit here and give the invoice number. I'm giving us just recurring invoices test. So here give the invoice amount and select the supplier. So I'm selecting my supplier here. I will search select ABC and then select this supplier ABC Consulting. And same way we need to select the supplier site as well. So if you don't know what is the supplier site, you can search using this option is not blank. So system will pull all the supplier sites which are available for the supplier. So here there is only one supplier site. I'm selecting this supplier site. And the next we have to give the invoice currency. So my invoice currency is USD. Select USD here. Okay. And give the description based on your requirement. So just I'm giving us invoices test here. And here we need to select the calendar which we created in the earlier step in the manage payable calendars. So here I'm selecting my calendar. Select how the calendar is test. Click on it. And the next step what we have to give is we have to give the from period and to period which the invoices should be created. So I'm giving from period as September. So I want to create three invoices for 3 months. So I'm giving as September start and the to period as November 23. So this period from period to period should be selected based on your requirements. So once we fill with to period, then go to line detail enter the line amount here, and description I'm giving just as test. And these are all the information we have to enter in this template. So once we're done with all the information, click on the status viewer to ensure all our details are correct. So there is no error now. So the next step, what we have to do is click on generate button. So system will do some process to import this recurring invoices into the system. And finally, we may get the confirmation from the system. So let us see the confirmations. So here you can see the number of recurring invoices created is 3. So 3 means in the meaning I gave from period to 2 period as 3 months. So system is created based on the period which we are giving in this template. So now just I will show you the 3 invoices which are created into the system. For that, go to the system now. And I am already in invoices only. So go to payables, invoices, and search for the recent invoices created. That is there. And here you can see the 3 invoices created using our recurring invoices template. The first invoice number is 1, 2, 3. These numbers are automatically generated by the system. So these are the 3 invoices which I used in the recurring invoices template to import into the system. So this is the way we have to use recurring invoices template to create the recurring invoices in Oracle Fusion system in accounts payable.
Thank you.